guys, it's Sherry. Well, today we are going to make the easiest project of the week, probably the easiest project ever. It's this really cute little kiss box, and it is absolutely so simple to make, but it's so cute. So we are going to get started on making this. And to make this box, you need a piece of paper that measures 6.5 by 7. On the 7-inch side, score at 1.5, 5, and 6.5. On the 6.5-inch side, score at 1.5, 3, 4.5, and 6. And then we are going to need to remove some panels from here in order to make this. So this is our glue side because we've got this really thin strip. So we're going to remove all of this. Get my pen to write. All of this and all of this. So I'm going to go ahead and just fold and burnish. That might make it easier for you guys to see it. Okay, so maybe you can see them better here. So we've got a long rectangle here and then a smaller rectangle here. We need to go ahead and get rid of those. So I'm just going to cut them out. And you're going to have it looking like this at this point. So these 4 down here are our bottom, and we're going to go ahead and just angle cut up to the score line on each one of these panels. And then here at the top, you are going to have a very narrow section of panels right up here. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove some of those. So what we want to do is we want to remove, we're going to cut up to the score line here on this one. We're going to remove this panel, the small panel here. We're going to cut up to the score line on this one. And we're going to remove this piece here completely. Now we can fold it in because that might be easier than just trying to remove it. So let's just go ahead and glue it down. So you've got your glue line here, you've got a panel here where we've removed this top piece, and then we're going to have this piece here. We're going to cut it up to the score line, and then we're going to remove the panel there as well. So we'll leave the panel on this one because this is what we'll fold in, but we're going to come in and just kind of cut the corners at an angle, which will make it easy to fold in. Then one more thing that I'll do to this, because it'll just make it a little bit easier for the box, is I'm just going to nip off a little bit more of that. So here's a good look at what you'll be left with. So you'll have your bottom fold panels here, your glue line is here, then you'll have one panel and half of a top, one panel and half of a top, and then one panel whole top, and then the fold-in piece. So now we can put this box together. So we're going to come to our glue line and place the glue. And let's just fold it over. I'm going to get that nice and stuck. And these make great flat fold boxes, so that if you want to make a whole bunch up all at once, you can, and then just pull them out as needed. So here on the bottom, we're going to fold this in, fold this in. This is our back, so we fold it in next, and this is what we'll glue down. And I'll take my bone folder and just smooth that out. And there we've got our box. So then we can just fold this over, fold that over, and then I'm going to angle cut this just a little bit. I should have done this before, but if I angle cut it, it just makes it easier for the lid to fold in. So when we fold that over and we bring that up and push that down, we have got our little kiss box. And that really was simple. So now what we're going to do is we're going to decorate it like we did this one, but we'll use a different type of ribbon on this one. So all I'm going to do is place my tape. Place my tape all the way around. And now I'll remove my tape. And I'll take my ribbon and just place it. And the tape will be my guide. And then just like on this one, I have Kiss Kiss Hug. I'm going to do the same thing over here. I am going to place this down with some hot glue. And then the last thing that I want to do on this one, just like I did on this one, is I want to make a very small ribbon to go at the top. So let me give making this ribbon a go. So again, guys, if you're liking the video, please hit the like button. And if you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you. So please consider hitting subscribe as well. And then I am going to take this and just place it right up there, and I'll use my glue to do it. And then I'll nip off just a little bit of that and a little bit of that. I'm going to come back with my heating tool and just heat those in so that they don't fray. And there, that was the cutest and the most simple project. Took us no time at all, so you can really churn these out if you needed to make a bunch for the kids' classroom or your coworkers at work. It really is just a very quick way of being able to give a gift to someone without putting a whole lot into it. I mean, you fill this with some kisses and it's very elegant but very inexpensive. So I hope that you guys will give this project a try, and I hope that you like it when you do. I'll see you next time. Bye.